Hello everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to create Wix websites for free. So the first thing we're going to do is go to wix.com and you can click on getting started here or on the top right hand side, get started. I'm going to click that and it'll give you the option to sign up or sign in using your email and creating a password. Or you can choose to log in with Google or Facebook. We're going to choose to log in with Google. And here I have a sample address 2424 at gmail.com. I'm going to click on that. And here we are. It brings us into a page where we can create our new site. So we can click on here, or on the top right hand side, we can click on create new site as well. So we're just going to click there. And it's going to prompt you if you want to use chatting with AI to set up. I'm going to choose to set up without chat. And it's going to ask you what type of website you want to create. I'm just going to click blog and hit continue. And it'll bring us to a new dashboard. And here we go. It's going to ask what would you like to call your website. You can add a name. But I'm just going to skip this. And what are your goals? Again, I'm going to skip. Your Wix apps that you can add. I'm going to skip that for now. And it says we're all set. So we're going to continue to the dashboard. All right. And so now on our dashboard, there's a button over here on the top right that says Design Site. So we're going to click on that. And it'll give you two options: generate a design with AI or customize a template. Today we're going to go with customize a template. So we're going to click that. And there will be all sorts of templates to browse through. I like this one that says Boost Your Success, a coaching blog. So I'm going to hit edit. And it'll bring us to an editor for our website. And so immediately it's going to have on the left hand side here, you can add elements, a section, page, menu, site designs, apps, business options, media, and CMS. Those are all really important features. Or you can come in here and just change the text if you want. And then you can change the style of these text blocks. So you can make them bold, italic, and underlined. Everything that you want to look at, the effects, characters, line spacing. And it'll now have a different section underneath where you can manage your posts or do a quick edit. And so this is an example of a post that would show up on your website. And then there's another one here, growing your blog community. There are all sorts of designs and tools you can use. You can choose to turn on the ruler side so you know how big your screen is or where you're placing things. I'm going to show the toolbar here, and this is right here. You have lots of options for like saving, deleting, aligning things, the height and the width of the position, all sorts of options here. So now that we've got our design set up how we want, or however you want to make it, and if we're done, you can save it or hit publish in the top right hand corner. And so that's it. That's how you create a website for free on Wix. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down in the comments section. Thank you very much.